Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit, showcasing our apartment package. Again, we have a recent posting. We want to show you that the posting took place and we have a good score, that they're still working after 5 years. This is again, apartment package, a tri-merge CPN with a trade line. A trade line with a capital one. Let me see here, capital one. Started 2020. Almost 2 years there. Limits $300, and gives a score of about 716, as you see right here. Again, with the apartment package, this has been very helpful for people that are trying to rent a place and have bad credit, have maybe a criminal background or eviction. This is great because you're able to get a whole new profile, a great score. This can help you qualify for most apartments and houses. So for help many people get off the street out of hotels and get a place. So call for more information at 202-213-2218. It takes about 2 weeks, sometimes 10 days. The cost is $550. Great price for helping people get off the street or getting out of hotels or homeless people. We're still doing the credit suite program. We have the trade lines for other CPNs or your personal profiles. Those are available. You can go to tradelines.biz for our list, or to find out more about the rental program, go to rentfast.org. That's rentfast.org for more information. Or call us. We're always around for free consultations for anything credit related. Call us at 202-213-2218 and give us some feedback on your profiles, how to help you build credit, or how to build with trade lines. Again, it's all free consultation. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Appreciate it. Have a great day.